When you run Adobe Xd for the first time on your machine, this is the window you are going to face. We have start a new document section over there, and down there we have explore the power of XD. It's a cool addition to Adobe Xd, and you can find some tutorials in order to enhance your designing skills with this program. On the left hand side we have our menu, and explore the power of XD will be replaced by your recent files after you create your first document. In order to start a project, we are going to need a design surface. Based on our project, we can select one of these presets here in order to start our design. We can alter, edit or delete these presets during the design process. In a way, we can say that these presets represent your user's screen. So here we have mobile and tablets presets, as you can see. This one is for web design, and this one is for social media. Also, if you are designing for a particular product or platform, we can enter our custom sizes from here. Now let's just click on the iPhone X preset, which is the default for mobiles and tablets. I'm going to click on here, and then the program starts. The user interface is so simple, and that's just awesome. Our tools are located on that toolbar over there on the left hand side of the screen. On the bottom left we have our panels. We can switch between different design modes from there. This guy here is our panel, our asset panel, which right now is open. On the right hand side we have our properties inspector, and some other features are located here as well. If you are on a Macintosh machine, you can access the menu from the top of your screen, and if you are on a Windows machine, you have a hamburger menu around there. This big surface is called canvas, and that gray area within it is called pasteboard. This big white rectangle is the presets that we have selected moments ago. It's called artboard, and it's our design surface. iPhone X, XS and 11 Pro, you can see the name at the top of the artboard. This amazingly simple user interface is one of the best things about XD. You can grab whatever you want any moment you want it. Every tool and feature is just a click or two away from you. It was pretty simple, right? Let's go to the next tutorial and make sure to subscribe to follow on with the course.